15,000 kids are diagnosed with type 1 diabetes every year. 180,000 people die of diabetes complications, mainly due to the fact that they don't know how to take care of it. My name is Annalie Siegel, and today I'm going to talk about my passion, which is volunteering with the American Diabetes Association at Camp 180 as a camp counselor. I have been doing this camp for 8 years, and every year the camp is the best week of the year. As a camp counselor, I get the opportunity to share my experience with other kids and to also teach them how to manage their diabetes in their daily life, and also inspire them to take better care of it and inspire them to embrace it rather than to be ashamed of it. When I was a little girl, I was diagnosed with type 1 diabetes. It was the worst day of my life, but it didn't stop there. When I was diagnosed, I went back to dance class and nobody wanted to hold my hand. They said it was because if I touched them, they would get the diabetes. This made it extremely hard for me to make friends. And the friends I did have, I couldn't go to sleepovers with anymore because I now had to take injections, but I was too scared to do it myself, so my mom had to do it. Therefore, I was always stuck at home. My doctor had mentioned this camp that was for kids with diabetes, and I decided that I had to go. That 1 week there, I learned so many things about my disease, but beyond that, I learned that I was not alone. I had counselors who were diabetics, doctors, and I made some friends who are still my friends today. I loved that camp. And then when I became old enough, I became a counselor. As a counselor, I just get so much reward of just watching their faces light up as they realize that they are not alone, and as they take their first injection by themselves, and as they grow to be more independent, and as they learn about all the different ways you can manage your diabetes and you can do anything you want to do. Take Nick Jonas, for example. He's a rock star and he's a type 1 diabetic. This is why I like to go to camp, is because I get to pay forward what my counselors did for me when I was a camper. This is why it is my passion. My name is Annalie Siegel, and diabetes looks like me.